After realizing that there was no sound on the amplifier, I've removed this PC board. I've taken it out, and I went through the exercise of tracing the wires. See here, I've traced the wires from the scratch, and I found some errors were done on few of the connections. I have rectified also, and also these transistors here at the back, they are loose. There was loose connections. I also make some joints, new joints I've traced, and I'm making sure I'm using the tester to ensure that the connections are in the right positions. Just want to make one example here. One example here. Just one example. Alright, this one, if I trace it here, it's from here to here. Then what I was tracing this line here. So if I must make sure that this line and this line is connected, to ensure that this line and this line is connected. Then my meter must give me a beep. My meter must give me a beep. Let me just test. Okay, just doing some test. My meter is giving me some beep. Alright, I'm gonna point my connector, multimeter connector here, and okay, there's some beep here, and I must get a beep also on this line. That it means the whole of this line is connected. I did the same exercise on each and every connector cable, and I'm done. I am done for now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it back. I'm going to assemble the PC back, and I will take it from there. This is the meter I'm using. So I was using the beep just to trace the wires.